Hi, my name is Nicholas Tassini, and I'm here today with Diamond Technologies to tell you about our new Creo, our line of medical designed handheld, barcode, and RFID readers. The Creo comes in several different versions depending on the features you may need. We have our Creo, the standard model. Then we have our Creo R, which includes our high and low frequency RFID reading technology. We also have our Creo X, which includes an upgraded 1 megapixel imager for damaged, difficult to read, or smaller barcodes. Then we have our Creo XR, our top of the line model, which includes both our RFID reading technology as well as the upgraded 1 megapixel imager. Built with the medical industry in mind, the Creo can be used for hospitals, for bedside point of care or patient care, on medical carts, or in laboratories. The Creo is designed to reduce clinician error, improve workflow, enable the use of ID badges for single sign-on or device sign-in, record samples, and record medication, or even record patient ID. Now let's see some of the Creo's features. Designed to survive demanding applications in daily workflow, the Creo is fully gasketed for an IP54 seal rating, and the enclosure is made with a patented antimicrobial silver material. This prevents the passing of germs from one operator to another and prevents germs from growing on the surface of the reader. The Creo can also be cleaned with most standard hospital solvents and disinfectants and is even drop safe up to 5 feet to concrete. The Creo can also be private labeled with a custom rear label, custom plastic and gasket coloring, or even a custom cable. Here is the Creo's trigger button. For operator feedback, the Creo contains a built-in beeper, vibrator, and good read barcode and RFID LEDs for audio, visual, and tactile feedback. The good read LED is sometimes called the Creo's smile due to its shape. All LEDs and the beeper on the Creo can also be disabled if desired, including the power on LED on the trigger. This can be helpful in bedside applications to avoid disturbing patients. Reading barcodes with the Creo is easy. Simply point and push the trigger. The Creo can also be set into a motion sense mode if you prefer to mount it in a stand. To read an RFID tag, simply bring the tag to the back of the reader until the RFID detection light is flashing. Then press the trigger. Alternatively, you can set the reader to read RFID tags automatically without the need for a trigger press. Changing the reader's settings is also easy. Settings can be changed instantly by scanning a programming code or by being sent programmatically by your host machine. Say, for example, we have a vial with 2 different types of barcode. We have a code 128 as well as a data matrix code on the bottom. If I would like to disable the use of code 128 in order to prevent operator error in scanning the wrong code, I can simply scan the appropriate programming code, and now my reader will no longer read code 128, but it will still read the data matrix. If I would like to go back to reading code 128, I can simply scan the appropriate programming code, and my reader will reapply the setting. All of these features make the Creo a powerful addition to vital signs monitors, medical instruments, laboratory equipment, and other point-of-care applications for data collection, error reduction, and improving workflow. To learn more about the Creo, visit our website on screen now, and to request a sample, speak with your technical account manager.